Hi, I'm Joey. I'm one of the makeup artists here at Abracadabra NYC, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply one of our easiest and most popular SFX items, Tinsley transfers.
You want to start off by peeling off the plastic layer that the transfers are attached to. Make sure you don't touch the sticky side of the white piece of cardboard paper and instead flip the plastic side upside down and place that directly onto the adhesive. Firmly press the plastic down into the adhesive and make sure there are no air bubbles or other imperfections. It's okay if the surrounding perimeter is a little bumpy, that part will be cut out later. Carefully cut out your transfers as closely to the edge of the appliance as possible without cutting the actual appliance. This allows for a seamless blending when applying. Do the same for the other side, and even though I won't be using both appliances, I'll be setting this one aside for later. When you're ready to apply the transfers to the skin, peel off the protective plastic layer and put the appliance face down onto the skin. Firmly press it in, and with a damp paper towel, soak the paper side of the transfer. Make sure enough water soaks into the paper so that it slides off with no imperfections. You can definitely go in after with some alcohol paints or some blood or even just plain alcohol to blend in the edges, but just for example's sake, I stopped here.
Thank you so much for watching our quick tutorial. Let us know if there are any other looks or products you'd like to see us try out. In the meantime, make sure to like and subscribe as well as hitting that little bell below to get any notifications on future videos, and we hope to see you soon.